Hello, and thank you for attending our presentation on how VIVOTEK AI and Video Surveillance as a Service, or VSaaS, are improving school security. My name is Annalise Shane, and I'm the lead trainer for VIVOTEK. In this presentation, I want to show you how VIVOTEK can help make school safety easier today. We're going to go over current pain points for securing learning environments, and then show how investing in our latest technologies can easily improve school safety. I'll show you how different cameras can be used to secure different environments within the campuses, and then the different platform options that are available depending on your project. Security systems are essential for creating and maintaining safe environments for everyone in schools. However, we understand that there are several pain points whenever we're trying to outfit a school with security cameras or upgrade their current systems, such as limited budgets, federal grants are tight, and every dollar needs to stretch. Finding a cost-effective security system that's reliable and NDAA and TAA compliant is crucial. Ticking clock for installation. Summer break flies by so quickly. The installation needs to be fast and easy. It's going to require minimal cameras and disruption to the school day. Also, we need to adapt for diverse environments, from extreme weather outdoors to large indoor spaces like stadiums. The cameras need to adapt to the diverse installation scenarios across the school campus. Unifying the security infrastructure. By integrating existing security infrastructure with the new system, that would be a huge win. Managing everything in one central location saves time and resources. And even trying to perform those tedious daily tasks, such as finding lost backpacks, clearing any blocked fire exits, or even overseeing chaotic drop off and pickup routines. These are just a few of the daily challenges that security systems need to help with everyday tasks and improve overall efficiency. VivaTech provides solutions to ease the burdens of all of these pain points. And then with the need to find the cost-effective system, but also wanting to utilize powerful AI in order to assist with being notified immediately to prevent incidents, or maybe you need to turn hours into seconds whenever you're searching for specific events. VivaTech can provide budget-friendly cameras that are compatible with these AI functions. VivaTech also provides a diverse range of camera models in order to cover every corner, no matter what the environment. And we provide cloud and on-prem options and even a hybrid option so you can decide which solution works best for your project. Not only all of this, but also VivaTech provides NDAA and TAA compliance systems that are approved for government grants. Now, let's start off by talking about camera choices. So whether you're trying to provide coverage of the school's main entrance, the gymnasium, auditoriums, or classrooms, VivoTech has a camera that is best suited for these environments. With our adaptive security products, we have choices for all types of weather and to cover every corner. So let's start off with some cameras that we suggest for specific locations. For the parking lots, we have our 18 megapixel panoramic outdoor vandal proof camera. With this camera, there's no detail too small and no space too big. Our 8 megapixel 180-degree AI camera is perfect for gymnasiums since it can see from wall to wall, from floor to ceiling. You're going to pair one of these panoramic cameras with one of our speed domes for instant AI tracking that doesn't even require a VMS to run the tracking feature. For cafeterias, classrooms, or even libraries, our new affordable AI camera is great for everyday installations. For long hallways, the compact panoramic camera is the perfect fit. And then for our large outdoor areas where students gather, we have our 5 megapixel all weather dome with the sun shield that provides high quality images and is very easy to install and set up. For offices and faculty rooms, the 5 megapixel easy to install turret dome will provide complete coverage, and then users can set up AI rules to be notified immediately if someone intrudes into an area after set hours. For those areas that have multiple directions the camera needs to look, such as multi-direction hallways, the 4 independently adjustable sensor camera makes sure that there are no blind spots so that you have complete coverage. And then for your auditoriums or other large rooms, the 12 megapixel AI fisheye camera provides a 360-degree coverage of the entire area, and the image can then be de-warped so that you can view your image without that fisheye distortion and have it look similar to a regular camera. Now, as for your choices on how to record, And monitor the cameras, we have several choices for NVRs. For our Linux-based desktop NVRs, we have the ND26P and the ND42P series NVRs. These range from 8, 16, and 32 channels that are compatible with VIVOTEK and then also third-party OnViv cameras. These NVRs have the latest Core Plus AI firmware on them and are empowered with deep search that uses AI to provide the fastest, smartest, and most efficient evidence search to enhance the user's experience. These NVRs can be used as an on-premise solution, but also they can be used as a bridge to take your security system to the cloud with our new Vortex Connect. And I'll cover Vortex Connect and its features shortly. For your larger installation projects, the 4U rack mount Windows-based server with 16 hot swappable hard drive bays and VivoTech's vast security station inside is a great choice. This recording server has 64 channels built in, but is expandable up to 192 channels. And due to it having VSS Pro inside, it can connect to multiple VSS Pro servers to provide management of up to 22,000 cameras if needed. Now let me show you how our AI solutions can help to optimize school safety by possibly preventing incidents from occurring. And if an event does occur, AI can help reduce the investigation time from hours to seconds. With our AI-powered cameras that include video analytics, rules can be set up in the cameras so that they analyze video footage in real time and then they detect abnormal activities that could pose a threat. So while a guard or a staff might miss a person sneaking into a poorly lit area, the camera that has intelligent video analytics is designed to catch that simple flash on a screen and recognize that it could possibly be a threat. Then the system can immediately alert security or staff so that they can take necessary actions. So instead of depending on humans monitoring the cameras, the AI-powered security systems will notify school personnel or those potential threats as they happen, which in turn is going to help prevent break-ins or other illegal or unauthorized activities. Then, after an incident occurs, the AI cameras can help to enhance your investigation efficiency by identifying people and vehicles based on unique attributes such as gender, clothing color, and then even types of vehicles. With vision object analytics, not only can we analyze those complex scenes in real time and recognize people and vehicles from the images, but we can also extract characteristics of the objects from the upper and lower body clothing color, accessories like hats and bags. And then for the vehicles, we can extract the type, whether it's a car, truck, bus, motorcycle, or even a bike, and all of those colors from the cars, trucks, and buses. And then with path extraction, every search result is distinct. Precise path extraction effectively reduces those duplicated search results with accurate object tracking. And then we can even perform similarity extraction on people. So searching for people wearing red shirts through a bunch of cameras could give you a lot of results and also make it difficult for the user to process. So in order to improve on this, with one simple click on an image, the system's going to find the similar looking person from all the cameras, making searches simple and intuitive. So VivaTech provides products that have efficient investigation with our three different sophisticated search methods that we call deep search. Attribute search can help to find people through all the cameras databases. So we can search people by their height, their gender, clothing color, or even accessories. In this demonstration, we found people wearing orange shirts. If you want to find a vehicle, we can also search by vehicle type, whether it's a car, truck, or a bus, or motorcycle or bike. And then for the cars, trucks, and buses, we can search by color too. Now you'll see that the interface doesn't just help you to find specific objects, but we can also record the direction that they're heading. So we can use the built-in 3 rules in scene search. This is going to search single cameras using line crossing, loitering, or intrusion detection that's defined anytime to help you find specific people or vehicles in specific scenes. In this demonstration, we're looking for anytime a motorcycle crossed over this line that we created. And then finally, according to the best results that are brought out by attribute or scene search, we can then match the best snapshot through all the recording database based on similar characteristics. The suspect's no longer going to be able to hide under the cameras anymore. We can now research or re-identify to match the person of interest across different cameras so that we can track their presence throughout the cameras on the system. All of these deep searches that we just went over are available on several platforms, whether you're using our cloud platform, VORTEX, or our on-premise solution with our desktop NVRs or VSS, and even Milestone and Genetec now have those plugins so that you can use our AI-powered cameras in order to perform those deep searches as well. Now let's go ahead and go over our platforms individually so you can decide which one works best for you. So let's start off with our cloud solution, Vortex. This is our AI-powered operations automation cloud platform. So if you're looking for an easy to install and set up solution, this is the answer. With these cameras, there is zero network configuration, no IP addressing, no port forwarding. Just place these cameras on a PoE switch connected to the internet and then have anytime, anywhere access to the live and recorded views of these cameras. With its remote user and device management, it's going to simplify IT. And then with the AI powered deep search, you can find events and incidents in seconds. If you're needing to archive or share videos with others, all it takes is just a couple of clicks. Also, with Vortex, there's no vendor lock in. If you already have cameras and are wanting to bring that solution to the cloud, you can use Vortex Connect. Just add VIVOTEK or any of those third-party OnVIF Profile S cameras to our AI-powered ND series NVRs and have instant access to your live views and also your recorded videos. With Vortex Connect, you could take your current on-prem system to the cloud just by scanning a QR code in the NVR, and now we have a hybrid system. Also, by not having to port forward, we're going to eliminate those vulnerabilities that come with the port forwarding. All of your data is secure from end to end. It's transmitted over the internet with 256-bit encryption. Also, with this hybrid solution, you can receive automated push notifications of the events that we've created, and then even system issues in order to minimize the risk of missing vital information. Set up scheduled alerts to receive notifications at specific times. Maybe you only want to receive notifications during nighttime whenever the school is closed. And also, you can make immediate informed reactions as you visually verify the legitimacy of the event and just a quick tap on your mobile phone. The AI NVRs that's going to allow you to take your system to the cloud are the 8 and 16 channel ND26P and the 8, 16, and 32 channel ND42P series NVRs. And then lastly, let's go over the on-prem solution using Vast Security Station VMS. VSS is a lightweight and easy to use AI surveillance system. You can easily customize your views of multiple video feeds just by dragging and dropping the views in the preferred location. VSS Pro also includes wall matrix for robust live monitoring. You can streamline user management with Active Directory. You can protect your video evidence with watermarking and even use VSS's data magnet in order to connect video with other data points that are handed out by software, such as license plate recognition or even facial recognition. And then one of the latest advancements in VSS is our Case Vault. This is our AI-powered investigative case reports with eMaps. So let me show you a demo of using Case Vault. So with VSS, we could perform deep searches. And then with VSS, it's going to help us to quickly identify the suspect without going through hours of footage. In this demonstration, we're trying to find a laptop thief. So we perform a scene search, we find our culprit. Now let's research and re-find her throughout the different systems. We're going to search 1 hour after this event occurred, and now we can track all of her movements after she stole the laptop. The research function is going to enable us to quickly find the footage of all the suspects across all the cameras, and then Case Vault that was introduced in VSS version 1.2 is going to help us to easily analyze the suspect's movements and the behavior by organizing that footage automatically in the Case Vault. And then with this new function, auto report, it generates a comprehensive report automatically and with all the findings for further investigation and also documentation. So from this demo, you can see how VSS is going to transform hours of manual work into a few efficient clicks. For users that are wanting to use our AI-powered cameras on Milestone or Genetec VMS, all you have to do is just install that Deep Search plugin for those VMS, and then also the cameras will start sending the metadata that's necessary to perform these AI features immediately. You can search by people or vehicles or even the different attributes that we went over earlier. Edge AI is going to lower the total cost of ownership due to not needing expensive servers to perform the AI analytics. Another SIA partner that VIVOTEK works closely with is Imix. Our NVRs integrate with their monitoring software so you can quickly verify events with the live view playback and also audio. Remotely control your PTZs and then even trigger actions via the NVR relays. At VIVOTEK, safeguarding your security is at our utmost priority. As a prominent surveillance solution provider, we take pride in aligning with the NDAA, or National Defense Authorization Act, and the Trade Agreements Act, or TAA, to ensure the highest standards of cybersecurity and compliance for our valued customers. We're committed to meeting industry standards and regulations, including the NDAA and TAA compliance that we just went over. So by adhering to these standards, we demonstrate our dedication to providing secure and reliable solutions that meet the highest industry standards for cybersecurity. Starting with our VIVOTEK line of products, they will only accept firmware that has VIVOTEK's digital signature to ensure that the firmware has not been tampered with. By applying VIVOTEK Sign firmware, the camera can securely start up step by step. Secure boot is a mechanism that protects the firmware of the product installed. So during that boot up process, the secure boot is going to block any unauthenticated or tampered code. On the basis of secure boot, we've updated the remote access security mechanism and disabled the console of the camera from the SSH and the SFTP protocol, which is going to defend the vulnerability of the system. And then our VADP, or VIVOTEK Application Development Platform, is going to provide an open platform that enables developers to add on features for specific scenarios or applications with VIVOTEK's cameras. Securing the VADP with enhanced security is critical. Applying secure VADP with digital signatures and encryption capabilities makes it safer and more reliable for that third-party integration. All right, for our cloud products, Vortex is also committed to meeting industry standards and regulations to ensure safety and security of your data. We employ robust security measures and adhere to the industry's best practices to safeguard your information against unauthorized access, data breaches, and cyber threats. Vortex products utilize encryption protocols for data in transit and at rest to ensure end-to-end security for data transmitted over the internet. The most common network vulnerability for video surveillance is publicly available ports on an NVR or a VMS, which are open through the user's firewall or router. We can prevent unauthorized access to devices and enhance the overall network safety and the integrity by not port forwarding. Automatic firmware and software updates provide optimum performance and proactive vulnerability management. With Vortex, your stored media files are protected with key encryption. This advanced encryption technology enhances the security of your data, ensuring that only authorized users can access and view sensitive information. And finally, we prioritize your data security by implementing measures to prevent unauthorized access to storage. We ensure that only authorized users can interact with your storage data, minimizing the risk of your data breaches. All right, so before we wrap this presentation up, I want to go over a success case and show you why they chose this certain cameras for their specific locations. James River Church was looking to upgrade their security solution. The church's past security camera system was using multiple PTZ cameras, which were failing to capture the entire areas of the property, which allows for criminal action. And because of these gaps in coverage, the James River Church now needed to integrate camera coverage both indoors and out in low light and in hard to see areas on the campus. And challenges in this project were related to not only not being able to see all the the areas on the campus, but also in having the ability to count empty seats in the indoor auditorium, as well as be able to track the individuals whenever necessary. Alexion chose VIVOTEK and a total of 34 of its indoor and outdoor security solutions to solve the church's previous security solution issues. 10 of the 34 cameras were the MS9390. It is an 8 megapixel dual lens panoramic camera that covers wide areas. And with its AI powered smart motion detection, they were able to reduce false alarms, allowing events to focus on humans instead of irrelevant noise. The customer no longer has to worry about if a PTZ was pointed in the right direction at the time of an event. And due to this success, they plan to use VIVOTEK cameras at all of their other campuses. All right, so in conclusion, VIVOTEK is a solid choice to improve school safety due to the NDAA and TAA compliance. A large selection of affordable AI-powered cameras that can work in any weather, covering every corner, and have anytime, anywhere access, whether it's in the cloud or on premise. No matter which solution you choose from VIVOTEK, you'll know that your students, your staff, and your property are all protected and have a cost-effective way to monitor, identify, and react to any event and provide a safer environment. To learn more about these products, please visit our website or contact your sales rep. If you'd like to demo our products and experience our cloud and hybrid school security, please scan the QR code on the screen and sign up to start your 60-day free trial today. Also, if you're not a VIVOTEK Premium partner already, then you may be missing out on some huge savings on your projects. So the partner program is designed to help our dealers and integrators to grow their business by leveraging their position in the market. So get an exclusive 5-year warranty on VIVOTEK's products, extended resources, services, and also margins just by joining. Not only that, but you'll also be enrolled into our Vortex reseller portal, where you can efficiently manage your customer accounts for your Vortex connected devices, also helping to elevate your customer relationships with our cloud solutions by providing a connected and more secure experience with them. All right, so you're just going to go and sign up at the partnerportal.vivotek.com or email our outbound sales team at VU_OST@vivotek.com. Also, be sure to stay connected with us by following our LinkedIn account to see when our next webinars are going to be scheduled. Also, if you miss any, you can find the recordings on our VIVOTEK's North American Training Academy or also the North American Training YouTube channel. All right, everybody, thank you all so much for your attention. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.